how to download movie on Netflix in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, you need to select the profile you want to use in your account. So for my example, I use Richard profile. Okay, you can tap the profile you want. Here in Richard profile or homepage, to download movies, okay, you'll have to do is select the movie you want to download. So for my example, I select one of my movie. Okay, so after you select the movie you want to download, you can see here the download button here. So you can tap this and now waiting for download the movie. And okay guys, here you can see the movie is now downloaded. And okay, we have successfully download movie on Netflix in your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.